Welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up your Floor Master laser guidance. Whether you're new to this equipment or looking to refresh your skills, this video will walk you through each critical step to ensure perfect laser alignment. Let's get started. Let's begin with step 0, preparation. Before you even think about lasers, you need to create a solid foundation. Start by preparing a leveled area of approximately 1 square meter where you'll place your machine. This is your launching pad for everything that follows. Cover this area with a cement sand mixture and level it carefully. Once prepared, place your machine securely on top of this foundation. Never skip this step. An uneven starting surface will throw off all your subsequent adjustments. On your control panel, use the head up and head down buttons, indicated as 1 and 2 in the image, to carefully lower the head until the lower screeding plate just makes light contact with the concrete surface. Take your time with this step. Precise adjustment is essential for optimal screeding results. To ensure correct operation, please refer to the instructional videos shown now and verify each action before continuing. This is a delicate operation. You're not trying to press hard or dig into the material. Think of it like the first whisper of contact between two objects. The goal is gentle, barely perceptible contact. Precision at this stage pays dividends later. Step 2. Time to bring your machine to life. Press the start button and watch the screeding plates carefully as they come into contact with the surface. What you're looking for is gentle, consistent contact along the entire length of the beam. The plates should be touching uniformly with no visible gaps. Scan the entire working width. You should see no holes or scratches in the surface. If you spot any issues, stop the machine immediately and return to step 1. Step 3. Let's do a real-world test. Take a small amount of concrete and toss it onto the surface where your machine will be working. This validates that your mechanical setup is functioning correctly. Watch as the screeding plates process the material. The key observation here is that the surface should remain at the same level as it was previously. Your machine should distribute the material smoothly without creating dips or ridges. If the surface comes out level and uniform, congratulations, your mechanical setup is working correctly. Step 4. Stop the machine completely. Now comes the exciting part, activating your laser system. This is where your machine gains its precision capabilities. Enable the laser projector, that's the device sending the laser beam, and enable the laser reader, which is the detector mounted on your machine that receives the beam. Make sure both systems are powered up and ready. This is the moment of truth. Step 5. You need to ensure that the laser beam points directly at the laser reader. When properly aligned, the blue diode should light up, confirming that the receiver is detecting the laser signal. To achieve this alignment, you may need to adjust the position or angle of your laser projector, fine-tune the laser reader orientation, and ensure both devices are at approximately the same height. Keep adjusting until you see that blue indicator light. It confirms you've achieved proper alignment. Before we move forward, here's an insider pro tip that professionals swear by. Mark the laser position on a nearby wall. Use tape, chalk, or a marker to create a clear reference point where the laser beam hits the wall. Step 6. Switch on the forwards mode on your control panel. This mode enables your machine to move forward along the concrete surface while maintaining laser-guided leveling. In forwards mode, your machine will use the laser reference point to automatically adjust the height of the troweling head as it progresses across the floor, ensuring a consistently level surface throughout your entire project. And now, step 7, the final step. You're fully calibrated and ready to begin your actual work. Press the start button and your machine will begin its automated concrete leveling operation. From this point forward, your machine will move along your predetermined path. Use the laser reader to detect the reference beam. Automatically adjust the troweling head position to maintain level and maintain consistent concrete compaction and leveling. Your laser-guided concrete troweling machine is now fully operational and ready to create that perfectly level floor you're aiming for. Before you hit that final start button, remember these critical safety points. Never leave the machine unattended while it is in operation. Ensure the work area is clear of obstacles and personnel. Check that all cables and connections are secure and in good condition. Keep the laser and reader clear of any dust or obstructions. And always monitor the machine during operation for any unusual sounds, movements, or behaviors. If your laser isn't cooperating, here are the most common issues and quick fixes. First, if your laser reader isn't detecting the beam, verify the laser is switched on and in frequency mode. Check that the reader is powered and properly connected, ensure there are no obstructions between projector and reader, and confirm both devices are at approximately the same height. Second, if the blue diode won't light, verify laser alignment is correct. Check all power connections and cables, test the laser and reader independently, and replace batteries in the laser if applicable. If your laser fails to maintain level and blinks occasionally, check that it's unlocked. It cannot operate properly while in locked mode. Always switch your laser to locked mode before transport. Move the red lever to the padlock symbol position. This prevents damage to the laser diode, which is fragile and cannot be repaired. If it breaks, you'll need to order a replacement from us to resume work. Congratulations! You now have all the knowledge you need to set up your laser system perfectly. By following these steps carefully and understanding the why behind each adjustment, you'll successfully configure your laser and be ready to create perfectly level concrete floors with precision and confidence. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your project.